In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Microsoft Teams chat history. If you've been using Microsoft Teams and need to remove past chat conversations for clarity or privacy reasons, you're in the right place. We're going to take a step-by-step journey together to make this process as smooth and simple as possible. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, any will do the trick. Once you've done that, head over to the search bar and type in Microsoft Teams. Hit Enter, and it should present you with the link to the official Microsoft Teams website. Go ahead and click on that link to open up Microsoft Teams. Now, when you arrive at the Microsoft Teams landing page, you'll notice the option to log in. If you haven't logged in already, enter your credentials carefully. This usually means your username or email and your password. And remember, keeping your login details secure is always important. Once you're logged into Microsoft Teams, shift your attention over to the left-hand side of the window. That's where you'll find various navigational tabs. Look for the tab labeled Chat. Click on it, and this will guide you to the familiar space where all your one-on-one and group conversations reside. Now it's time to pinpoint the chat conversation you'd like to delete. You'll see a list of all your recent chats displayed on the screen. Scroll through this list and find the specific chat you want to remove. When you've identified it, hover your mouse over the chat. You'll notice 3 vertical dots appear next to it. These represent More Options. Click on the More Options icon and you'll see a drop-down menu emerge. From this menu, select the Delete Chat option. After that, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Click on Yes, Delete to proceed. This step confirms that you really want to remove the chat from your list. Here's something important to note. While this will successfully erase the chat from your personal view, it will still be available to the other participants involved in the conversation. Deleting a chat from your list won't remove it from theirs, as all participants have their own records. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared a chat from your Microsoft Teams history. Following this straightforward process will help you keep your chat list tidy and organized. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.